channel bottom. You know, I've been saying that we're going to get down to this one as well, but I still think it probably will be years before we get there. However, this sell-off is so exceptional that it may not be years, it may be sooner. 60-minute chart, we're beyond the measured move using this high. The market might be using that high. Clearly always in short, right? It's clearly bearish. But I still think we'll probably try to have an early reversal. This is the measured move based upon yesterday's range. In a trend, the market doesn't care about support. Eventually, it reverses at a support level. Euro versus the dollar. Right, I'm pointing that out because it might be a sign. Bonds versus the dollar. Right, so that to me tells me that we might be putting in the low of the day here. Bear body, but still a possible low of the day. Right, most traders should not be trading this. Right. But if you can trade small, this is a realistic trade. An alternative is to trade some surrogate market like Cisco or options. I did buy calls. Do I think today will be a big bull trend day? I think it might be. But we don't have, you know, it's not yet. It's still probably always in short. Stop for the bulls, obviously below 3, maybe below 4, but these bars are very, very big, so traders have to trade very small. When the market is like this, a scalp is 4 points. Well, the bears double top with one, but very strong reversal. So I would either be long or flat. You know, can the double top trigger? And can today be an even bigger bear trend day? Yes, but chances are that will not happen. Volume, I'm sure, is huge here. Bar 1, 100,000, 106,000, 104,000, 110,000, 107,000. You know, this is the biggest volume that you'll see probably for the next several years. Possible measuring gap, 5 close and this double top. Back into the channel a little bit. So does that mean the Fed did something? I'm guessing that they did. All right, look at bonds. Right? You want to buy bonds right now after a 3-point sell-off? Needless to say, my calls are very profitable. I also bought futures E-minis above 2. I'm lightening up here. You can see a lot of traders are. The little tail there. Still always in long since bar 4. For the bears, double top 1, but I think very strong 3, 4, and 5. So low probability short. We closed the gap, right? 6 low, below 2 high, but I think still always in long. For the bears, it's a short, but a low probability short. More likely buyers below, but the stop for the bulls is way down here. Can they use a tighter stop below 5, below 4? They can. The tighter a stop that a person uses, the less they lose per trade, but they lose more often, more frequently. Weak signal bar, but still clearly always in long. So, but if you're buying, you need a wide stop. Not a great buy setup, even though I think we've seen the low of the next few hours. Obviously, usually positive for the bulls. It's possible that we stay below yesterday's low, and then tomorrow gap up with an island bottom. Three pushes up, 1, 5, and 7, so we might get a pullback. I just went flat. What about shorting below 7 for a high of the day? A gap. Let me just do this. Low of the day to the open of the day, close to a measured move. We may stay below yesterday's low. Like I said, it's possible that today stays below yesterday's low, and then we gap up tomorrow and create a one-day island bottom. And a lot of traders are aware of that, and that's why they took profits on that rally. That's what caused this. A lot of traders like me were thinking, the gap might stay open, maybe all day. Can you short this parabolic wedge, moving average? Obviously you can, right? But I think we're always in long. I just don't know how far down the pullback will go.